Now today we're going to start with scales, and for the grade 2 UNISA theory scales you need to know your 3 sharps and your 3 flats. So you know your major key signatures, you know the harmonic minor scales, we know how to get to the minor scale working out the 3 semitones down. And if you're unsure, you will find on my YouTube channel another video explaining all of that. Now you also have to be able to write this with or without key signatures. So if I write with a key signature, the key signature is in front of the scale. Ascending, they can ask you only to write it ascending or only descending, and it can be a combination of both. So in the examination, they can ask you to write C major and A minor. So let's do a C major in the treble clef. So they will say in the treble clef, I don't have any key signatures. So if they say write C major ascending, I will start on the low C and I will write 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure that you start on a C and end on a C. And the most important other step, I have to show my semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to get to the A minor, I know that if C is there, I work 3 semitones down. 1, 2, 3. So if they now ask you to write in the treble clef, A minor, ascending and descending, I have to start with a low A, get to the high A, and end on the low A again. So let's first write our notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now my semitone slurs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my slurs in the harmonic minor will be at 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And this is always 1. The lowest note is always 1. And then I can count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a very important thing with the A minor, although it looks like the C major, I must always raise the 7th note. So in this case, let's look at the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the A minor will have a G sharp. Okay, and you can practice that. You will see in your workbook, they ask for C major and they ask for A minor. So practice it going down, going up and down. And you will see that I never repeat the 8th note. So that's quite important that you know that C major and A minor, they're related. In the previous video, I've showed you G major and E minor. You know that D major, B minor, they're together, and the A major and the F sharp minor. So practice your key signatures in your right hand, the treble clef, and in the bass clef. Okay, I've shown it here only in the treble clef that you have a good idea. So if I go to the flats, I also have 3 flats for grade 2 theory. C major and A minor, F major and D minor, B flat major and G minor, and E flat major and C minor. And a thing that you always have to remember with my major scales, I have my slurs, semitones, 3, 4, and 7 and 8. And with the harmonic minor scales, I have 2 things that I have to remember. First, my slurs, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then I have to raise my 7th note. So if I raise it, a white note becomes a sharp, and a flat becomes a natural. So E minor, the 7th of E minor, you can work that out, is a D sharp. B minor, the 7th is an A sharp. F sharp minor, the 7th is an E sharp. A minor we've just done is G sharp. D minor, the 7th is C sharp. G minor, the 7th is F sharp. And the C minor, the B flat, becomes a B natural. So let's look at G major, and we're going to write two of the scales here. The first one that we're going to write will be G major with key signature. And let's do it descending. That's the first one. So let's do a G major. And then we're going to do an E minor. I'm just going to move this a little bit that you can see it on the screen there, what we're going to do. We're going to do E minor. You will see that I write it lowercase. We're going to do it without key signatures. Key signatures. And we're going to do it ascending. So the first one, G major. Let's do this in the bass clef. So we do the bass clef with key signature. So I add my F sharp. I want it descending, so I'm going to start with my high G and go down to my low G. I've done the key signature. I am in the bass clef, so I can just carry on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure that you start on a G and that you end on a G. And this is number 1. The lowest one is always number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have to add the F sharp there because I have an F sharp in my key signature. So let's double check with key signature. Yes, I've done that. Descending, I've done that. And I am the bass clef. Because a scale like this can be 8 marks. So that's a lot of marks that you lose if you don't start, for instance, on the right note. So E minor without key signatures ascending, let's do it in the treble clef. So E minor, of course, let's do the treble clef. We're not going to have anything in front because it's E minor. Doesn't mean that it doesn't have an F sharp. I just will not add it there. It's very important that I start on the tonic of E, and that's an E. So I have 1, and I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double check that you have an E this side and that you have an E that side. So the first thing that I have to add is my F sharp. That is part of my G major and E minor key signature. And then let's move to the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The D natural, when I raise it, will become a D sharp. And now my slurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the way that you do it. Let's also look at D major today. Now the first one that we're going to write, let me just move it that you can see what we're going to do. Let's do D major, ascending and descending, and we do it in the treble clef, and we do it with key signature. So that's a lot of instructions. And then we do B minor in the bass clef, and we do it ascending without key signatures. So let's look at the first one. D major, treble clef. So the most important thing, do your treble clef. And then with key signature, so I know D major, I must add an F Father Charles. I've added that. And then ascending and descending. So I can't make big notes because I have to fit in everything. Ascending, first I start low and I go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't repeat the 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is 1. I don't have to add the sharps because I've got the sharps in my key signature. So I've done the treble, I have the key signature. So what must I still add? The semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's do a bass B minor. Bass, clef, without. So I'm not going to have any key signatures in front. Doesn't mean that I don't have to add the F sharp and the C sharp. I must still add them. And it's very important that I go ascending. So I'm going to go up. And that I start on my B, not on the D. It's not D minor, it's B minor. So I must start on my tonic note. So let's write out first our white notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start on a B, end on a B. Now, let's go to the key signature that I actually need. I need a Father Charles. And then you must have a warning light going off when you see a B minor or any minor. Add my 7th note. A becomes an A sharp. And then this is 1. And my key signature, I've done the raised 7th. Now I must have my semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've showed you one in A major as well. You will see there ascending. So I'm just ascending in the treble clef without key signatures. And so I add the Father Charles goes in front of the notes. Ascending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the F sharp minor is ascending and descending without key signatures in the bass. Okay, so you must remember that if I have an F sharp there, I also need the F sharp on the high note. So Father, 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 Charles, Charles, goes, goes. Okay, and then of course, you see the 7th note must be raised. That's not part of my key signatures, but I have to add that accidental. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your homework for next week. I want you to look at the scales and try and do the scales in your book. All the scales, C major, A minor, and then the 3 sharps. The flats we will leave for next time, but look at all the sharps, G major, D major, A major, and their minors. And I'm sure that you will understand this.